Wait,
We're going to
okay.
be reviewing the snow.
Remember, we can't really hear you.
Here.
What?
What? There's a toy.
Okay.
You're kidding me?
Bye.
Oh,
Fluttershy.
bye.
Bye. And here's Fluttershy. Fluttershy came out. She's all snowy. And it's snowy today. It's so snowy. I don't know why. Oh. It's like the snowiest ever. There's like a blizzard that's going to be soon.
Okay, wait, they couldn't hear you. What?
It's going to be a blizzard soon. And this is a really snowy day. There's snow everywhere.
This is a blizzard, sweetie.
And this is a blizzard. And guess what? You can't even walk in the snow. You can play. Almost everything is close. It's so snowy.
All right, let's go home.
Look at the snow. Look at all that snow. You can't see it.
There's lots of snow everywhere.
I hope you watch
We're at
more.
Union Square, New York City.
I hope you watch more of my. I hope you watch.
What?
I hope you watch more of my videos. Bye. This
Bye.
is a snow video. I'll do some more snow videos one time.
There we are. Where's their statue? There's that one over there. All right. Ciao.
Take that.
This is